औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to do our book work of unit number 2 and 3. Our unit number 2 is the senses. In this unit we read about the senses. First we will review the unit and after that we will do the book work of this unit. In this unit we have 5 senses. These are sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. We read how do we use the senses. In this unit we read about the sense organs. Sight is the sense and eyes are the organs. Hearing is the sense and ears are organ. Smell is the sense and nose is organ. Taste is the sense and tongue is an organ. Touch and feel is the sense and skin is an organ. We read our senses tell us what is happening around us. They help us to enjoy life. They can also save us from danger. We read we should protect our ears from sounds that are loud. We should protect our eyes. We should not look directly at the sun. Now we will do the book work of our unit number 2, the senses. This is our page number 13. First question is choose the correct answer. These are also called MCQs. इसमें आपको ऑप्शंस गिवन होते हैं, आपने उनमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन को चूज़ करना होता है जो कि उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होता है जो आपसे पूछा जाता है. Our first question is which of these is not a way of moving? 4 ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो वे ऑफ मूविंग नहीं है, जिसमें हम लोग मूव नहीं करते. ऑप्शन ए इज़ स्लिपिंग, ऑप्शन बी इज़ हॉपिंग, ऑप्शन सी इज़ स्किपिंग, ऑप्शन डी इज़ रनिंग. ऑप्शन ए इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. When we are sleeping, we are not moving. Question number 2 is which of these is not one of the 5 senses? 4 options are given here. यहाँ से आप लोगों ने उस ऑप्शन को चूज़ करना है जो कि हमारी सेंस नहीं है, 5 सेंसेस में नहीं आती. फर्स्ट वन ऑप्शन ए इज़ साइट, ऑप्शन बी इज़ ब्रीथिंग, ऑप्शन सी इज़ टेस्ट, ऑप्शन डी इज़ हेयरिंग. Sense, sight is a sense, taste is a sense, hearing is also a sense, but breathing is not our sense. It is not in our 5 senses. So you will take the option number B. Question number 3 is which of the senses do you use while eating? When we are eating, which of these senses we are using? Here are also four options. Option A is hearing, smell, taste. Option B is smell, sight, taste. Option C is smell, touch, hearing. Option D is touch, hearing, taste. Option B is correct answer. When we are eating something, we smell it, we sight it, and we taste it. If you eat a lemon, what would you taste it with? When we are eating a lemon, जब हम लेमन को खाते हैं हम उसको किससे टेस्ट करते हैं? Again, here are four options. Option A is eyes. Option B is lips. Option C, tongue. Option D, teeth. Our taste organ is tongue. So, we will take the option C. Which of the following you might do if your body was tired? When our body is tired, what should we do? Sneeze. Number B is cough. Option C is jump. And option D is yawn. We will take our option D, yawn. Our question number 2. What do you see in your classroom? Write the names of any three things you can see. You can write any three things you can see in your classroom. I have written here the three things: chair, blackboard and table. You can write something else जो आपको क्लासरूम में अपने नज़र आता है: सॉफ्ट बोर्ड, वाइट बोर्ड, डेस्क, चेयर्स। जो भी आपको क्लास में, आपकी क्लास में चार्ट पेपर्स, आप कुछ भी यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं। Now we will do our question number 3 on page number 14. Your senses can save you from getting hurt. ये आप सबको पता है कि हमारी सेंसेस हमें हर्ट होने से बचाती हैं। Which of your sense will warn you about these dangers? इनमें से हमारी कौन सी सेंस हमें इन डेंजर्स के बारे में बताती है? Like fire, we can see fire. Sight is the sense. हम अपनी आइज़ को यूज़ करते हैं चीज़ों को देखने के लिए, और साइट जो हमारी सेंस है, इट हेल्प अस टू सी द फायर. यू कैन राइट हेयर द स्मेल. हमें फायर की स्मेल भी आती है. हॉट वाटर, वी कैन टच और फील हॉट वाटर. सो वी विल राइट हेयर द सेंस टच. अ बस ऑन द रोड. अगर कोई बस रोड पर आ रही है, वी कैन साइट, वी कैन यूज़ आवर सेंस ऑफ साइट एंड वी ऑल्सो यूज़ आवर सेंस ऑफ हेयरिंग. साइट एंड हेयरिंग दोनों सेंसेस ही यूज़ होती हैं. बस की साउंड भी हम सुन सकते हैं और बस को हम आते हुए देख भी सकते हैं. स्टिंगिंग बीज. हेयर वी विल यूज़ आवर सेंस ऑफ हेयरिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट बिलो योर फेवरेट. ये आप लोगों ने खुद से करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, बिकॉज ये आपकी फेवरेट थिंग्स हैं. आप इसको अपनी बुक पर खुद से लिखेंगे, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. डू ऑल हैव पीपल हैव ऑल द सेंसेस. आपको पता है कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं, जब मैंने लेक्चर लिया था तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनकी सारी सेंसेस नहीं होती, ठीक है. तो उनको एक स्पेसिफिक नेम से बुलाया जाता है. यहाँ पर वही क्वेश्चन है कि डू ऑल पीपल हैव ऑल द सेंसेस. क्या सब लोगों की सब सेंसेस होती हैं? नहीं, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पास सारी सेंसेस मौजूद नहीं होती. फाइंड आउट व्हाट दीज पीपल आर कॉल्ड. हमने ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इन लोगों को क्या कहते हैं. अ पर्सन हु कैन नॉट सी. पर्सन हु कैन नॉट सी इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लाइंड. जो लोग देख नहीं सकते उन्हें ब्लाइंड कहा जाता है. अ पर्सन हु कैन नॉट स्पीक. जो लोग बोल नहीं सकते, these people are called dumb. D-U-M-B, dumb. A person who cannot hear are called deaf. D-E-A-F, deaf. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. Here are the words in the box. By using these words, we have to complete the sentences. Hear, taste, smell, see, feel. I can dash the stars. Stars को हम क्या कर सकते हैं? See, देख सकते हैं. I can see the stars. I can dash the teacher speaking. टीचर अगर बोल रही हैं तो हम उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? We can hear teacher speaking. I dash hot in sunlight. हॉट चीज़ों को हम क्या करते हैं? फील करते हैं. I feel hot in sunlight. I can dash ice cream. Ice cream is the thing to eat, तो हम उसको क्या करते हैं? Taste. I can taste ice cream. I can dash the flowers. Flowers की smell होती है, हम उनको smell कर सकते हैं. I can smell the flowers. Next we will do the book work of our unit number 3, healthy habits. First we will review this unit and after that we will solve the book work. In this unit we read, we need to look after our body so that we can be strong and healthy. We should eat healthy food. Food gives us energy to work, think and play. We get food from fruit, plants and animals both. For keeping healthy and strong, we should eat fresh food. We should eat healthy food. We should do exercise daily and breathe fresh air. We read. We should take plenty of rest. We should go to bed early. We should keep ourselves neat and clean. How can we keep ourselves clean? We read about it. We read that we should keep our nails short. We should brush our hairs. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should take a bath daily. We should wash our hands before and after eating food. Now we will do the book work of our unit number 3, healthy habits. Our first question is, choose the correct answer. I have already told you it is also called MCQs. Here are the options and we have to choose the correct option. First question is, which of these food is from an animal? Option A is carrot, B is egg, C lettuce, D mushrooms. Which food we get from animal? Carrot, lettuce, mushrooms are from the plants. We get eggs from animals. So you will tick the correct option number B. Which of these is not a way of keeping your body clean? In which way we cannot keep our body clean? First option is brushing your teeth. Second, washing your face. C, eating your dinner. And D, having a bath. C option is correct option, eating your dinner. When we are eating a dinner, we are not going to keep our body clean. Which of the following can cause illness? Eating lots of unhealthy food, eating without washing your hands, drinking dirty water and all of the above. All of the above mean ये तीनों options ऊपर given हैं, ये सारी की सारी. First option is eating lots of unhealthy food. If we will eat unhealthy food, then we will be ill. If we will eat without washing our hands, then we can be ill. If we drink dirty water, then we can be ill. So all the above options are correct. Option number D is the correct option. Which of the following is good for your health? Fresh air, B, exercise, C, rest, and D, all of the above. Option A is fresh air. Fresh air is good for our health. Exercise is also good for our health. And if we take a complete rest, then it is also good for our health. So option D, all of the above is the correct answer. Which of the following protect us from getting a disease? Staying indoor, eating healthy food and stay clean, avoiding vaccination, not taking a bath. Which one protect us from getting a disease? यानी कि हमें बीमार होने से कौन सी चीज़ बचा सकती है? ईटिंग हेल्दी फूड एंड स्टेइंग क्लीन. अगर हम हेल्दी फूड खाएंगे और क्लीन रहेंगे देन वी कैन नॉट बी ill. Unjumble the letters and use them in the fill in the blanks. Here are some jumbled letters. At the end of the blanks we will arrange it and after that we will put it in the blank. Food is like fuel. Food give our body dash. Here is the jumble word EEGNRY. We will write here the energy. The correct word is energy. 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 Next one is dash food makes us strong and healthy. EFHRS. The correct word is fresh. 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 We should dash every day to stay healthy. CEEIRSX. The correct word is exercise. We should exercise every day to stay healthy. Cross out the things you should not do. Here are some things. Some statements are given here which we should not do. We have to cross it. But मैंने आप लोगों के लिए आपकी आसानी के लिए जो ऑप्शंस करेक्ट थे उनको टिक भी किया है. Wash your hands before meal. We should wash our hands before meal. So you will take it. Spit on the floor. Spit means थूकना. फर्श पर थूक देना चाहिए. No. Cross it. Go to bed late. हमें लेट से सोना चाहिए. No. Cross it. Have a bath every day. हमें हर रोज़ नहाना चाहिए. Yes. Tick it. Have long nails. No. Cross. Brush your teeth every day. Yes. Tick it. What do you think would happen if you do not eat any food? अगर हम कुछ नहीं खाएंगे, कोई फूड नहीं खाएंगे तो what will happen with us? If we do not eat any food, we would not be able to work, think and play. ये आपका वही सेम आंसर रिपीट हो रहा है. What does food give us? फूड हमें क्या देता है? फूड give us energy to work, think and play. उसी के आंसर में अगर हम लोग कुछ नहीं खाएंगे, आप देख लें, इफ़ वी डू नॉट ईट एनी फूड वी वुड नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क, थिंक एंड प्ले. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है वो आपका एक जस्ट अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स के बारे में है. वो उसको आप लोग देख सकते हैं और उसको आप आइडेंटिफाई भी कर सकते हैं. दैट्स वाई आई हैव नॉट एडिड दिस इन योर दिस वीडियो. ठीक है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. ऑल ऑफ यू do it on your books and learn it and do practice on the rough notebooks. Thank you. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.